So today we are going to change the oil in my Yanmar 2GM reduction gear, most commonly known as a transmission. And I've owned this boat, I don't know, 5 or 6 years now, and I've never actually changed the oil in that reduction gear, so I think it's about time. Anyway, I've done a little bit of investigation, watched a YouTube video, did some research on the web, and it doesn't look like it's too complicated. So we'll see if we can get this done. I got all my little goodies together. First of all, we got the handy dandy Pila 2000 oil extractor. I use that to extract the oil out of my lawnmower and the engine in this boat. I got a funnel with a little hose to put the oil back in. I picked up some heavy-duty engine oil, SAE 30 Motormaster from Canadian Tire. I sure hope this is the right stuff. We'll find out. It's got to be better than the crap sitting in there right now for the last 5 years, 6 years, if there's any oil in there. Got some measuring containers, so you want to measure the oil coming in and the oil going out. It should be the same. You don't want to overfill a transmission on these boats. It will cause all sorts of problems. And what else we got? We got some gloves, keep my hands clean, and it's got some lights, fluorescent light, LED light, extension cord. It's dark and scary down there, so let's see what we're doing. Anyway, let's see what happens. What could possibly go wrong? Yeah. Okay, first thing got to do is clear out this starboard, port locker. Get rid of all the junk in here so I can get down to the engine. Oh, geez. Oh, there's my lovely flasher sail, asymmetrical spinnaker. Hey, get out of there. Okay, let's get rid of that. Place for it. Okay, what else? Okay, I think I'll climb in there now and open the door to the engine. Oh, God. Oh, yeah. Okay. I have to take my sunglasses off. Oh, okay. Down we go. Oh. Okay, we're now in the belly of the beast, and let's see. There's the reduction gear. And that is the what do we got to get off? So let's see. Get that. There we go. That wasn't too bad. Okay. I'm sure that's just hand tight now. Okay. So this is the dipstick, and hopefully we see that there is oil in my transmission. Oh God. Yeah, okay, she's coming off. Oh, look at that. Let me get a cloth. Oh, there's some oil. Okay. So, time to pump you up. Maybe more dip. I have enough hand room here to, yeah, looks like I do. Okay, get that on there. And shut this little stick down there. Okay, and let's see. And then, oh God, let's start. Okay. Looks like, okay. That's doing something. Let's see. Yeah. And I'm seeing oil coming out through the tube, looking kind of black. Now, because this oil is rather thick, it's not warm, and it's going to take a while. Okay, let's see how much oil we got out of that transmission there. Oh God, that is black. That is black as tar. That's not a good sign. Okay, let's see. Well, it looks like we got about a cup. So we're a cup of oil. And for us Canadians, that's 250 milliliters. Ooh, looks pretty disgusting. It's black as tar. Oh, oh. God. Yes, cup of tea, anyone? Okay, let's break out the Motor Master Heavy Duty Engine Oil for commercial, industrial, and tractor diesel engines. Okay, let's crack that open. Got one of those safety little caps on there. Okay, let's see. Oh God, really? Really? There we go. There, she's off now. Okay, so we're going to free pour that into this container to about 250 milliliters, maybe a little extra just in case. Okay, can I do it? Oh boy, that is golden. That looks like maple syrup. I'm telling you, put that on your pancakes. Yum, yum. Let's see. Okay, it's just a little over. And we will see. 275 milliliters. Okay, don't want to put any more of that in the transmission than necessary. Like I said, apparently it causes problems if you put too much in. And I figure I'm going to have some loss once I pour it in there, because it will just gummy up everything. So let's see you down in the cavernous cave, and we'll do this. Okay, so let's see. It looks like I only need the funnel. I don't need the tube to get this into here. There we go. That's a good fit. And let's, well, let's pour some of this good old Canadian maple syrup down there and see how that works. Okay. And she goes. Liquid gold. Okay. So, and what have I got left there? Okay, I'm going to measure now to make sure that I don't overflow. So let's put the old dipstick in there. Okay, take that out. Okay, put that aside here. Plug the light. Okay, let's screw that down. And see if we can see what the level is. Okay, and it's hard to see. I'd say it's not quite there yet. It doesn't look like it's quite there. So we're going to pour the rest and see if that brings it up. If not, we'll have to get some more. So that's only a few drops. So there we go. Okay, so we're going to check again. I actually drained a little bit of oil out of it just because I thought I overfilled it. So it's very hard to see the line and where the oil comes up to the line. Very hard to see. So I'm just going to go with the premise that I removed 250 milliliters and I poured 250 milliliters back in. Hopefully it's not overfilled. It's not clear in the instructions. I think I said earlier that I heard that you have to screw it all the way down to measure it. but it's not clear in the instructions where you just put it in like that and then take a look, and I can see there's oil there, or you pour it all the way down, which looks like it's another ½ inch, and then measure your oil. So if anybody knows the answer to that question, because it's still, you can't even tell where the oil level is on this dipstick. It's bronze in color, and so is the oil. They're the same color, you know. Don't know what to tell you. So we're gonna just go on the premise that 250 milliliters out, 250 milliliters back in. I think that's your safest bet. And we're going to assume that the previous time it wasn't overfilled. If you're having transmission problems, that could be your problem, because if the transmission gets into if the oil gets into certain areas of the transmission that it shouldn't be in, then it can cause some nasty behavior of your transmission. So we're just going to give that a little tighten. There we go, not too much. And good. Everything else on the engine looks good. The stuffing box, I think, looks good. Don't want a leaky stuffing box, that could sink your boat. I hope you've enjoyed watching me change the oil on my reduction gear as much as I've enjoyed doing it. I think some of the important lessons learned today was make sure that you measure the oil coming out and put in the same amount of oil back in. Now my reduction gear takes 1/4 liter of oil, so make sure you don't put more than that in, as I learned the hard way. So that being said, unfortunately in Toronto, diesel mechanics are hard to come by. They're usually very, very busy, and could take weeks or months before they can get around to your boat. So you really need to learn to do some of these maintenance issues yourself, and it's important to know how to do some basic repair on your engine, because when you're out in the water and things go wrong and you need that engine, you better know how to fix it. Otherwise you can be in a heap of trouble. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and of course subscribe. And until next time, just remember, the joys of boat ownership never stop.